Brussels sprouts are a nutrient-packed, calciferous vegetable that can be a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. Here's a simple and nutritious recipe for preparing Brussels sprouts. Selecting fresh Brussels sprouts. Choose firm, small to medium-sized Brussels sprouts with vibrant green color. Avoid any that are yellowed or have blemishes. Washing and trimming. Rinse the Brussels sprouts under cold water and trim the stem end, removing any outer leaves that may be damaged or discolored. Halving or quartering. For optimal cooking and presentation, halve or quarter the Brussels sprouts. This also allows them to cook more evenly. Roasting. Preheat your oven to around 400 F200 C. Toss the Brussels sprouts in olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can also add minced garlic or a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Even spreading. Spread the seasoned Brussels sprouts in a single layer on a baking sheet. Ensure they are not too crowded to promote even roasting. Roast until golden and crispy. Roast the Brussels sprouts in the preheated oven for about 20–25 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy on the edges. Toss them halfway through cooking for even browning. Add some citrus zest. For a burst of freshness, consider adding some citrus zest, lemon or orange to the roasted Brussels sprouts after they come out of the oven. Balsamic glaze drizzle. Drizzle a balsamic glaze over the roasted Brussels sprouts for a sweet and tangy flavor. You can make a simple balsamic glaze by simmering balsamic vinegar until it thickens slightly. Pomegranate seeds. Add a pop of color and a burst of sweetness by sprinkling pomegranate seeds over the roasted Brussels sprouts. Serve with Parmesan. Grate some Parmesan cheese over the roasted Brussels sprouts just before serving for a savory kick. Experiment with nuts. Consider adding toasted nuts like almonds or walnuts for added crunch and a boost of healthy fats. Serve warm. Enjoy the Brussels sprouts warm as a side dish. They pair well with a variety of proteins, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to your meals. This recipe not only enhances the natural flavors of Brussels sprouts but also provides a combination of textures and complementary tastes that make them an enjoyable and healthy option for your meals.